Morning all, it's another day, so another bunch of models. Victoria's out of lockdown, so you come into the store, we've got lots of new stuff coming in. So this is just basically a news release this week. I will show you one kit later on, but generally we're just going to talk about news. So today we're going to talk about different brands. So today we're looking at KP out of Czech Republic. They're starting to work into series of kits, so they'll do a kit and then they'll do 3 or 4 versions of it. So for instance, this is the P51B, the P51B FC. This is the reconnaissance one, and this is another F6C. So they're doing this sort of style of thing. They've got more to come in this series, which we will eventually get. But if you're looking for a nice new Mustang with some different markings and things like that, these are really, really nice. The reviews so far have been good. It's an interesting choice to pick, but then like people say, KP don't have Mustangs in their system, so they've decided to do Mustangs. So just to give you an idea, that's the first 3 we've got. And the markings, as you can see on the back there, are all obviously US. I believe they're going to do other air forces and other that in the future, so you've got all that sort of thing. So pretty cool, nicely done. So that's the Mustangs. The next ones they've done, oh, this is another one of their Spitfires. This is the 5B, Mark 5B. This seems to be more from a Bukia, somewhere like that, something like that. There's the markings. So you've got 3, 4, 5, 6 choices of marking, or 3 choices of markings left and right. So they give you both sides. So that's quite good. So nice kit. They've been quite good. Again, a Spitfire. If you're looking to do 72nd scale Spitfires, quite nice. Now, this is the first of another one of their series of World War I. These guys are starting to move back into World War I, so we're getting some nice choices. This is the Vickers FB19. This is the FB19 Mark I, and this one's the FB Mark II. So, if you're looking for new World War I kits in 72nd scale that haven't been done properly before, KP and AZ and another one are all starting to work on some World War I stuff. So I must admit I'd never sort of really seen this aeroplane before, but looks quite nice. Plenty of choices of markings. The different schemes, different things like that. This one's mostly all British. This one is, actually this one's Russian. So this is a Russian version of it. And this one is again all British schemes. So doing a bit of research about the aeroplane, apparently it went reasonably well, but a bit late in the war, I think, from what I could understand. But so that's the FB series. I think there's 2 more in this series to come as well. Now, this is the Fuga Magister, also done by KP, also in 72nd scale. They've done a series of them. This is the ones over Europe. This one's the over Israel. And this one is other services. So again, this is another series that they're working on currently. I believe there's still more in this series, so it looks quite good. There's the choices of markings on the back, so you get quite a range of markings. This one's all Israeli types, including a couple of military ones. And then you've got some foreign Air Force ones as well. So again, KP is sort of starting to look at releasing a whole series of kits all in one hit. They've got things like Tempests and all sorts of others to come out through in the next few months. So keep an eye out for them. These are in stock right now in both stores and online. So if you're looking for a nice Magister, apparently it's very, very nice. Come in and see us. Take care. See you then.